You mentioned changing the images out, and they don't have to be perfect, but some other practical ways that people can take templates that they get on Canva or Easel and swap them out so they can make them their own.
Sure. A lot of the images, a lot of the pin templates that you guys have put out, at least that you designed, have overlays, color overlays. So you can change the color there. You can make them slightly larger, slightly smaller. You can change the placement. That's another great way to give an image a fresh feel, is change the placement of where the headline is. So if in the original template it's near the top, well, move it to the bottom or to the middle. You can make sure that you're changing your fonts to the fonts that are in your particular website or your particular blog sort of wheelhouse. Make them your own for sure, because that's the last thing, to your point, Jeff and Elise, that you want to do is have that pin image that looks exactly like everybody else's. So moving the overlay, changing the overlay color, you can play with the overlay opacity, so you can make it semi-transparent, you can make it solid, and you can also change the overlay shape. So instead of doing a rectangle, do a diamond, or change it to a circle or an oval. Get creative, because that's one thing that's really great about Pinterest is it's not so serious. So have some fun with it. Try new things and make it larger, make it smaller, see what works best for your particular website, for your traffic.
Those are great points.